Even an umbrella is a hurdle to me becoming an actor. Huh. Nothing can stop me from reaching my goal.
Keep the 5 lakhs in the office. Keep the 5 lakhs in the office. Keep the 5 lakhs in the office. Keep the 5 lakhs. Two people cannot play this game. Huh?
Jai Bhai Dabak. Jai Bhai Dabak.
There they are.
Jai Bhai
Hey,
Dabak.
you wanna join in?
Okay, join.
Come join. Jai Bhai Dabak. Oh shit.
Hey Suresh, it's me.
Tell me,
If you're making any short film, please let me know.
you want to act or what?
Yeah, I've decided to get into this full time.
Okay, dude. I'm rushing to a pub with my short film team.
Where, dude?
At Evok pub, yeah. It's a treat. You want to join?
Right now?
Yes, yeah. Come to Adia Depot.
I'll come.
I'll pick you from there.
Yeah, sure. Bro, the short film that you made, The Headache Balm, it was mind-blowing.
Thanks, buddy.
Congratulations to you too. You've acted very well.
Thanks, boss.
Bro, next time you're making a short film, you have to give me a chance.
Definitely, buddy.
Sir, is it really you?
Yes, it's me.
You are the hero of Headache Balm, aren't you?
That was me.
Congratulations, sir. You acted really well.
That's what everyone says. After doing this Headache Balm short film, my market value has raised like a rocket propeller. In fact, see, even now also I'm on my way for a shoot.
Shooting Hey, what bro? You said you were treating us in a bar for the success of your short film? He's saying he's going for a shoot.
You don't worry, buddy. We are going to have a drink. Only this dog is going for shoot. We'll just drop him on the way, da. Mithran, sorry, don't mind. I really didn't mean it.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
My phone fell down and it's not working properly. Can you please check it out?
Sir, service is done there.
What is this? Nothing is visible.
Can't hear while on a call. Can you please check it?
For you or mobile?
What?
Oh, sorry. iPhone. It's a speaker issue. Please wait.
Okay.
How much for that Lenovo K4?
K4,
12,500, sir.
I'm short of cash. I will come tomorrow. Mobile ready, sir?
How much?
Please pay it over there.
Oh, how much?
300, sir.
Hey, boss.
Hey, sir,
come on.
Come. Thomas, bundle, come soon. Otherwise, he will scold us.
Okay, coming.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Hey, I asked you to take this back to the office, no? Why did you bring it here, da?
Sir, I forgot, sir. The full amount is in the bag only, sir.
Because he'll forget only, I asked you to remind him.
Sorry, sir. What you told me to tell, I told it to him. But when I wanted to tell it to him, he told me something and I forgot what you told me, sir.
At least you would have told, no, da?
Sir, if I had done the job, it would have been unethical.
Successful people.
Mami, ya yo sé que tú no te me vas a quitar. Lo que me gusta es que tú te dejas llevar. Todos los weekends ella sale a vacilar. Mi gata no para de janguear porque ella le gusta la
Ah, coming, sir. He's a greedy fellow. Just keep the bundle on the top and hide the rest. You should not get any doubt. Stop nodding and take the bag from the fat fellow.
Hey, Mandal, give me the bag, da.
Looks like a happening place. Sir, what would you like to have?
Can't we discuss that later, Mr. Sopan?
Stop pulling my leg, sir.
Oh, so you understood, huh? And so, how's the business running? Who's this lady?
She comes weekly. She's a regular client. So got her for a small party here.
Okay, fine.
Here you go, sir. Very important.
Yes.
I think he's smelling it.
You thought you could hide it from me, huh? I found it out.
This is what he smelled, huh? Stupid fellow! Stupid fellow! It was such a waste getting you here, stupid fellow. Haven't you ever eaten a peanut burger before?
Just burpee, sir.
Okay, dude.
Oh, you like him, huh?
You need anything? I'll go get it.
Okay. Move your body, man.
Okay, sir.
One large repeat.
What, dude? Got something this time?
Let's see what's there in it. It's just photos.
Call recordings, da?
Yes, bro. Let's see what else we can find out.
Hello, Mona. I'll be home for lunch today. Don't toil so hard. Just brother would do.
Hello, excuse me. Do you see that lady there? Spend an hour with her and you'll get paid 20,000. Don't get confused with who I am. Go home and relax and tell me. Think and tell me. I hope you understood. Here's my card.
Hello, Padrinda. I have placed the 20 million in the locker in the hall. I'm leaving in 2 days. It's regarding a money deal. I'll be back only after a week. Hello? Hello. Make sure that we don't lose that land. Pay that 20 million as an advance for that land. You don't worry about that. The land is ours. Still, I have placed the money in the locker. Use it if needed. I'll be back in a week.
Hey, customer came. Go check.
Bad fellow. Hey, Karthil, look at him. He's gone to a pub leaving us and partied hard.
Forget Matai.
Did he also post to? Why is he behaving so negligent?
Still, I have placed the money in the locker. Use it if needed. I'll be back in a week.
Why do you look so dull? What happened?
Nothing like that.
Sir, the phone, sir. The phone's ringing.
Hello? Who is this? Hey.
Sir, my name is Manigandan. Sir, I wanted
To talk to you about...
We met at the pub yesterday. You gave me your visiting card.
I shall let you know where to go and what to do in hour's time. Wait some time.
Fine, sir. Okay.
Is he going to party again without me? What the hell? Doesn't he mind me? Huh?
First of all, we don't know him. How we are gonna steal from his house? Do you think it's so easy, eh?
Hey, Forget him. You tell me, bro. We all will share the loot.
Who will say no to money, Karthi? If you're not facing any problem, then I'm in. But also, we don't know who is he or where is he coming from.
Fine. We'll follow him and find the house. We'll rob only if it is safe. Else leave.
Hey, come on, guys, don't leave me out of this. First, find out his house, then we'll plan it.
Yes. Tell me, how are we finding his house now?
Bro, didn't he come here in his jogging outfit yesterday?
Yeah.
I think today evening also he might go for jogging.
Super da.
What do you say, bro?